back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to do a fridge organization. I have a very horrible fridge at this moment. I took out everything and I already cleaned out all the parts of the fridge, but I really want it to be organized because I feel like everything is just thrown in there. It looks very cluttered. So we're here at Walmart and we're gonna go to Dollar Tree. We're gonna pick up a few things in order to have a very organized and tidy fridge. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. Just got back from Walmart and Dollar Tree. I didn't pick much up from either places. I got this linen that I'm going to put in our refrigerator just so that we could line the little boxes that are over there, as you guys can see, so that it can stay nice and clean. I got this container here from Dollar Tree. I think I'm going to put the eggs in here just so that it's more of an easy access. I also picked this up from a Dollar Tree. I actually saw this in Micah Stauffer's video and I thought that it would be pretty cool to use it for lemons as well. Picked up some cleaning products like an oven cleaner and then a cooktop cleaning kit because these are super dirty and I've tried everything. Baking soda, scrubbing it with a brush and it hasn't come out. So I am hoping that with this it'll come out. Some Ajax, and then I got some more dish soap because we ran out. And then these, I really love them. There are, I believe they're sparkling water, but they're flavored. Like this one is cherry vanilla, black cherry, and then tangerine mango. This is a flavor that I haven't tried as of yet, but these are amazing and I love them because I substitute these for soda. And guess what, guys? There is no carbs and no sugar and it tastes amazing. And oh, I completely forgot. I also picked up this other container from Dollar Tree where I'm going to put in our cleaning solutions from the bathroom sink. But currently, this is the mess I have from my fridge. I took everything out and cleaned everything. I only have this left to clean, but pretty much everything else has been washed and cleaned and everything. So now I'm just going to reorganize everything so that I can have a beautiful and tidy fridge. We are first starting off with washing everything. That includes pots and pans and even the glass stands in the refrigerator, as well as this little box where I put my cheeses. Your girl is a big fan and she loves cheese, so she has a drawer dedicated to that. Make sure you get every single spot on your glass. I know it can be very tedious to clean it, but trust me, you want to have that thing clean. I'm also washing the stuff that I got from Dollar Tree and Walmart because you don't know who's been touching it. I don't know what it is about the fridge. Maybe it's because it's cold or because Riley thinks that she can play with the stuff that's in there. I don't know, but she is obsessed with this fridge. Anytime I open the door, she wants to be all up in there. But as you guys can see, my racks, I guess that's what you would call them, the glass stands from the fridge have been done drying, so I put them back in. And I had the most difficult time putting this, I guess, box thing into the glass rack, but I managed to figure it out and it went on perfectly and smoothly. Next up on this clean and organize your fridge with me, I lined my drawers with this liner that I got from Walmart. I believe it was for 98 cents. At Dollar Tree it was for $1, so it was a little bit cheaper at Walmart. But I love lining my drawers. I used to line them up with aluminum paper. If you're Hispanic, you definitely know that your mom was always lining their drawers with aluminum paper just because she wanted to keep everything clean and tidy. But I think this is a better way of doing it because the aluminum foil tends to stick onto the drawers, as opposed to these liners. You can, take them out and clean them or throw them out if they get really disgusting. Here I am putting back our sauces, condiments, and vegetables, basically anything that goes back into our fridge. And instead of just throwing them anywhere, I actually color coded them, and I thought that was a ridiculous idea to color code your fridge. But I did it, and after I completed it, I really loved the idea, which I got it from Bits of Brie, and she said that she got it from her friend Micah Stauffer. So definitely, if you want to try something new and keep your fridge very organized, try the rainbow color code method.
animal in there, I think it's much easier to access them and it makes far less noise than opening an egg container at 5 in the morning. And here I'm just finishing color coding our fridge and making sure that everything is organized and tidy. Last but certainly not least, I finished off by making sure that the box was cut into pieces so that it can fit into the trash bag, and anything that was rotten or spoiled was in the trash bag and not transferring onto my counters. Which, speaking of counters, I went with my trusty Lysol here from Target, and I just wiped down the surfaces to make sure that everything was clean and nothing gross was on it, you guys.
So this is the final look. I know it looks pretty bare over here, but that's because we haven't gone food shopping yet. So once we go food shopping, it's going to look a lot fuller than this. I did take a little tip from Brianna K and Micah Stauffer. They kind of like color coded their refrigerator, which I did. So I have like the greens and blues here, reds, and then like clears and like waters down here. Same thing up here, blues and red. And here I have the clear tray where Riley can pick like a cheese stick or the tangerines and eat them. Obviously, I'll peel this for her. And I do keep an eye. Yes. I do keep an eye for the cherries just because they do have the seeds. And there she is. Easy access for her to get it. Yeah. Here we just have sopa de res, it's just beef stew. We have some spaghetti squash that it's stored right here. And then up here I just put like pepperoni, little snacks, and then like tortillas. And then I got this this plant-powered protein one. It's really good for about 15 grams, and the dietary fiber is 12, so it's like very, very low carbs. I kind of color coded up here as well, so like red milk, and then the ham, some cheese, Gouda. Over here we have some queso from El Salvador. Why did I say that so weird? El Salvador. So this is the cheese that my grandma bought. Grandma keeps it real, bringing back the cheeses when she goes. Here I put the eggs in this container, very easy to grab. I also have here dill that I put up here. And of course my almond milk right up there. But yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope that you guys did enjoy it. Ooh, I did forget to mention down here, we have all of like the stuff that's in like packaging still, like this repollo that's here, onions, snow peas, celery, and carrots. And then everything else that's, you know, already out of packaging is in there. So now this is the final look. I hope that you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you're notified anytime I post a new video. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Time, don't you? It all goes slow, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos, just a remedy.